My name is Kiran Makkar and today I am going to describe a graph which was seen in the past in the IELTS writing test. The diagram below illustrates how a simple water filter is constructed and how it functions to produce clean drinking water. Write a report for a university lecturer describing the diagram below. So this is the process of producing clean drinking water. You can see first this tank is there in which there are layers of three things: sand, charcoal, and gravel. This is a tank in which the clean drinking water is stored, and tap is attached, and you can take out the water from here. This is the lid, and so you have to understand this in your own language first, so that you can go about it in the writing while you are writing and not make much mistakes. So first you must understand what the diagram involves. The given diagram shows the process of producing clean drinking water by a water filter. It can be seen that there are numerous steps in the process, from the initial impure water to the final potable water. So in the question there is the diagram below. So below in your answer sheet there will be no diagram. So instead of the word below, you just write the word the given. The given diagram shows the process of producing clean drinking water by a water filter. It can be seen that there are numerous steps in the process, from the initial impure water to the final potable water. Potable word is used for water which is fit for drinking. This is clean water which is fit for drinking. Clean, filtered, drinkable. So this is just note the spelling. It's Potable, potable water. So vocabulary building also side by side. Now in such processes, there is a big problem of reaching the word count, minimum word count, that is 150 words. So here, by writing this sentence, that it can be seen that there are numerous steps in the process, from the initial impure water to the final potable water. This introduction has gone 37 words. So this is very important that you learn such a sentence in your process writing. Then in the first step, impure water is put into a metal container with a wooden top. So impure water is put. Now is put is the passive voice. Impure water is the object. So it is put into a metal container which can be made of iron or steel with a wooden top. So here you can see this is the impure water, and this is put in this container. This is a metal container and this is the lid of the metal. In the probably in the exam, this it was shown that this is wooden and there must be a color diagram, and this is a metal tank. So impure water is put into that, and in the metal container there are three filtering layers, namely sand, charcoal, and gravel, with sand at the top and gravel at the bottom. In the bottom part, the water which is filtered through the three layers is stored temporarily. So you can see that in this tank there are three layers: sand, charcoal, and gravel. And in the bottom, this water which seeps through, which filters through these three layers, it's stored temporarily, just for some time. An angled metal pipe is there which has the lower opening in the bottom part of the water filter tank. So this is an angled pipe. This is an angled pipe, and the lower opening is in the bottom of this tank, in which there is the sand, charcoal, and gravel, and the other opening is in another tank which is for the drinking water, which is meant for storing the drinking water. So an angled metal pipe is there which has the lower opening in the bottom part of the water filter tank. The upper part of the pipe comes out from the upper part and is linked to another closed metal tank. The filtered water from the first tank is brought into the second tank, which is at a lower level than the first tank. There is a tap attached to the bottom part of the tank through which the clean drinking water can be taken out for drinking. So This tank is at a lower level than the first tank, and so the water will automatically come into this tank, and then you can take out the clean drinking water from the tap attached to one side. So this is the description of the graph, and I hope you understood it. This has gone around, um, the word count is 183, and I gave this process to write to my class yesterday, and it was very difficult for the students to exceed the 150 word count, and many were left with just 120 or 130 words in all. So this is the way you have to write, and wherever you have to note wherever you have to use a passive voice and where you use a simple active voice. So here it is put, this is passive voice because impure water is the object. Is filtered is also passive voice. The pipe comes out because you don't take the pipe out, it just comes out, it is there, it's already fixed permanently. So pipe comes out from the upper part. The filtered water is brought into the second tank, which is at a lower level than the first tank. So this is the description of the graph, and I hope you've understood it. This actually came on 14th February 2015 in China and Australia side, and such graphs are repeated. I have seen it happen before. So I think it will help you to prepare for your IELTS test. Thank you so much.